Lake County Public Works owns and maintains 5 interceptor lines throughout Lake County. We have a 3-year phase on every one of our interceptor lines. First phase is going to be our CCTV projects with closed caption televising underground sewers. Since we have 5 systems, it's a multi-year process. Over the next 5 years, we're going to get TV shots of all of our interceptors. Our process here is we're going to TV the line. It's about 3.5 miles long. From TV and all through the woods areas through here. We worked with the Forest Preserve to get access along their bike path, to make access along to our structures that are in here so we can do our job. The second phase will be a cleaning phase, and then at the same time, the following year we'll have an engineering design to give us a cost estimate what it's going to take to repair and upgrade our system, and the third year will be actually the construction year. In our collection system, which we have a very large system, we do a 10-year rotation on that. We TV 35 miles a year of that. And those repairs are typically a lot less expensive. We can do small repairs, do some of those in-house, and we'll do some contractual of lining and upsizing the pipes that we find problems with that.